Hello, viewers. Welcome to NAIJA News and Entertainment. Following Davido and Chioma's issue, now here are some of the things you need to know about their relationship saga. Chioma Avril Rowland, popularly known as Chioma, is from Imo State, a student of Babcock University one time. Now, as we know, she came into limelight when when Davido introduced her as his girlfriend. We knew her as Davido's girlfriend, and then he sang the assurance for her, bought her a Porsche on her birthday, and all that. Now, but recently we've been hearing issues that Davido was spotted with another lady, Maya Yakari, and other issues that have been coming up. Now, first of all, want to know how Davido met Chioma. First of all, now Davido revealed that he met Chioma through Lati, unlike the news when we heard that it was Peruzzi that introduced her to Davido, but that was wrong. Davido said he met her through Lati, and that Corona messed up their plans because they're supposed to get married in July. That he decided that it was going to be sometime this year, but he only wanted her to focus on her business and him focus on his music and the kids. So that he has known Choma for 7 years, but they've been dating for 5 years. Now, they met in Babcock University. Yes, as we all know, David attended Babcock University, and also Choma attended Babcock University. Now, but there are speculations now that she dropped out of school because of Davido. I don't know. Personally, I don't want to believe that is a good reason to drop out of school. But who knows? You know what comes with fame and money and power and all that. It makes you forget, and love, of course. It makes you forget some necessary things and all. But recently, I think I heard when a TV presenter on TVC, this popular program, Your View. Her name is BC Ubo. She said that why would she, drop out of school because of a man? That was she thinking giving birth to a son would make him want to marry her? What of other women that have given him children and all? Why didn't he marry them?
Conversation is, where does a woman draw the line?
Where I come from, if introduction is not marriage, you are on the same level with a girlfriend. The difference now is that they just came to say, okay, now here you they stay. That's the difference. You are still on the same level. Where I come from, if your father does not collect, even if it's 15 naira, in my place it's 15 naira, they don't collect that 15 naira. There's no covering to protect you. Marriage is sort of a covenant and a covering that protects you if anything goes wrong. And we know that even in marriage, things go wrong. And the women are left like that. Now, with marriage, you now have like a legal backing to fight for your rights.
Yeah.
But when there is no exchange of 15 naira, you are on the same level as side chick, baby mama, whatever.
We never can tell. That's her own view. But she also made another interesting point, saying the introduction Davido did is not a guarantee to make her believe that she was his wife or he was going to marry her, because in Igbo land, where the TV presenter is from, she said in Igbo land, introduction is just like, okay, you're coming to know the parent. They've not collected any money which should serve as bride price from the man you're bringing to the house. You're only introducing him to your parents, so that it cannot be leveled with a normal or a legal or a traditional marriage. That she's still on the level of a side chick or a girlfriend, and that was wow. But that's kind of true, because the real bride price was not paid, At least we didn't hear of that. And we know Davido now. If he had done that, he would have known. Davido is not one person to really do things secretly. Yes, and not when it comes to Chioma. Now, was their love a PR stunt or was it real? That's one thing we don't know. But I know that for sure their relationship opened ways for her. Now, when I mean opened ways, it made her have access to numerous endorsements, bagging. She bagged so many endorsement deal. She got into various businesses. She made her catering career public. She extended it. Yes, it came with so many achievements and opportunities, which is actually a good thing. But many people think that was just the reason behind everything. Like that was what she wanted. She really wanted it because of the money and then the fame that was attached to knowing Davido in quotes. So, but I still want to believe though that there was something true there for both of them. I still want to believe that because I knew how, or I can still remember how Davido was always flaunting her to his friends. She was already assuming her wife duties, cooking, and she already gave him a son. All of that, but we don't know where all of that now is. Now again, this Maya Jafai, I don't know where this lady came out from to just spoil this good thing they had. But is she really the cause of the breakup, or there have been other relationship issues? They must have been having issues, their own personal issues, which we know is not void in any relationship. Like every relationship is bound to have issues or the other. So is this lady the reason behind the breakup, or they just want to use the lady now as cover up for whatever must have been the issue? Well, we can't say for now. And this celebrity life is really not easy. Having to work with so many beautiful women, so many endowed women from all walks of life, all race. She's actually a pretty girl. The man is actually a pretty girl. If you've seen her picture, she's very endowed and all. But maybe, according to him, he said that they had one or two things to do together and they were supposed to make a song or something, or it was just strictly business. But who knows, maybe business and pleasure got entangled and something happened. Well, now there's also another reason that his second baby mama has another child for him. That's apart from Haley, has another child for him. Wow, this Davido Sha, well, has a son. Hey, that means Davido has how many children now? Imade, Haley, Ifeanyi, and another son that we don't know the name. Wow. This Davido is this man. The guy hot though. He must really be a very maybe he wants to be the two face of this time. Hey, but I don't know. I don't know if this is true. Let's not say what we don't know. I don't know if it's true. Well, these are just speculations, and we know how the social media can really prey on issues like this. So, I can't tell. But that's just one of the reasons why we think they are having issues. Now, another one is recent. I think day before yesterday or earlier this week, we noticed Chioma deleted all the pictures of her and Davido on Instagram. Wow, that must have really been hard. Like, we know how they go to places together, they are always together, they travel together, and all of that. So I don't know, but I think it should really be tough for her in particular at this period, because Davido has not come out to say anything to clear the air on these issues. Yes, he has not said anything, and there's just this cold war between both of them. So we don't know. I really want to know the issue. I really want to know what's happening. I want to know the real reason. If it's because of this new child now, this the new son he has, or this Maya that is causing problem up and down. I want to really know. Or I don't know, but I think maybe her parents too can be on the background or doing something, maybe telling her, why did you look at this man? This man has, you've introduced him to us since he has not done anything. Are you sure the man is a serious man? Look at what he's doing on TV. He's traveling everywhere. You know how our parents can be. So I know Igbo parents, they take their girls very seriously. So I really don't know. Guys, what do you think? Like, what do you think? Please, I want to know. Let me know your thoughts, your comments in the comment section. Yes. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to NAIJA News and Entertainment. And also, click on the bell icon right there so that I can get notifications when a new story drops. See you next time.